Profess the word by the life you live. May your actions be enough, for people are more interested in what you do than what you say. Your influence for Christ is only as good as the faith your life professes. Focus on living a life in line with your faith. People are watching and listening to see if that life will match up with the faith you profess. For out of the heart the mouth speaks. Consider your sphere of influence and the impact you have on those within that sphere. Now, go out and be steadfast, determined to influence and impact those around you for the kingdom, for the glory of God. What better than the day you see those you've had a positive impact on for the Lord walk through the gate to meet you? Be sure to check out the scriptures below, guys.